Hi everyone, all are welcome to Anand Inspire. Today we will discuss a video about UGC NET Computer Science syllabus. Okay, Unit 5 is System Software and Operating System. Here, this chapter, System Software and Operating System, is a common paper in computer science or computer application. Every university's basic paper is this two papers. Actually, in some colleges, system software is one paper and operating system is another paper. Okay, we will discuss deeply. First one is what is system software. Everybody know the basic of system software and operating system. So UGC NET syllabus also cover these two topics. Machines, assembling and high-level languages, what is compiler, interpreter, loader, linking and relocation methods, what is macro, debuggers are covered in system software. Then next one is basic of operating system. Here we study operating system structure, different operations, system calls, operating system design and implementation, system boot, extra topics cover in this area. Next one is what is project management, different process scheduling and operations, inter-process communication, communication in client-server system, process synchronization, what is critical section problem, what is Peterson solution. Internally, we study thoroughly what is semaphore and synchronization. Third topic is thread, multi-core programming, multi-threading models, thread libraries, implicit threading, threading issues all study in this area. Next one is one easy topic is there, that is CPU scheduling, scheduling criteria, different scheduling algorithms, thread scheduling, multiprocess scheduling, real-time CPU scheduling, all are cover this CPU scheduling. This topic is very important because every year in CPU scheduling some type of algorithm based questions comes, so thoroughly study CPU scheduling. Then deadlock characterization, methods for handling deadlock prevention and avoidance detection recovery methods. So you study deadlock, each points A to Z point study very well, because many years or a previous question papers deadlock based questions every year repetitionally come. Next one is memory management. In here, contiguous memory allocation, swapping, what is paging, segmentation, demand paging, page replacement algorithm, allocation of frames, how to allocate frames, trashing, memory management files. These are the topic covered under memory management. Next one is storage management. What is storage management? Mass storage structure, disk structure, scheduling management, RAID structure. RAID is important. RAID structure also come under storage management. File and input output systems. Here different type of file systems are there, so accessing methods are there, directory and disk structure, file system mounting, file sharing, file system structure and implementation, how to create a directory or implement a directory, location methods, how to free space management effectively use, efficiency and performance recovery, input output hardware, application input output interface, kernel management, transforming input output request to hardware operations are come under file and input output topics. Next one is security. We know about the importance of security in operating system, so that topic also cover under this UGC NET. Security protection, what are the accessing metrics, access control, revocation of access right, program threat, system and network threat. Different type of threats are there. Then cryptography as a security tool. What are the authentication methods for implementing security defenses? Are all this topic come under security. So here system software and operations, everybody study in an UG or PG level or MPhil level. So system software, basic of operating system, thread, CPU scheduling, deadlock are very important. Then memory management, storage management, file and input output system security are second priority category topics. And also come virtual machines are also come the last area. Types of virtual machines and implementation, virtualization. Then also free operating system Linux, design principles, kernel models, process management, scheduling, memory management in Linux OS, file systems in Linux, interprocess communication, network structure of Linux systems. Then Linux, Windows operating system also study in NET UGC category. Design principles, system components, terminal services, fast user switching, file systems and networking. So in operating system, Linux and Windows operating system we study, and also distributor systems. So network systems also topics also come under the next syllabus. Types of network based operating systems, network structure, communication structure and protocols, what is robustness, design issues, distributor file system. So actually this topic is very vast area. System software and operating system. Actually here are different operating system methods. Internally, what is an operating system, what are the modules come under system software and operating system, virtual machines, security of an operating system, different file systems in an OS. So you give more time for covering this topic, because in UGC net only we get 6 months time. So we are dividing each topic for study. System software and operating system, minimum 10 or 12 days fully given for the system software and operating system concepts.